Hey guys, Nicholas here. This is my second video on this channel for a month. This week we're gonna look at a hidden gem. His name is David Pliszka. He's Polish. He plays in the Polish league in the Ekstraklasa, and he's 173 centimeters high, 150 coins. Absolute bargain. Absolute sick pace. He plays like second striker and he has amazing dribbling, fantastic shooting, fantastic passing, fantastic hitting, and he feels so strong in game. He won me a header and he just like to lob the ball. But one bad thing, he loses his fitness so fast. But he's calm and he's absolutely great at that position. He plays for Jagiellona Białystok. Can't pronounce the name of the club. Then we move on to his key in-game stats. As you can see, he's 28 years old, so 173 centimeters. He shoots with his right foot. Key in-game stats: 91 sprint speed, 86 acceleration, 73 dribbling, 74 agility, 78 balance, 77 jumping. Then his medium work rate, 4-star weak foot, 3-star skills. And then he only costs 300 coins in average. Thank you for watching the video, and get this player now. He's absolute beast. Have a nice day.